Video did indeed kill the radio star. That's why picking a format that's right for your brand is important. Not to fret, we've broken down 5 types of videos that are guaranteed to add some moxie to your marketing. Live videos. If you have a substantial following, Facebook Live, Instagram Live, YouTube Live, and other streaming services make it easy to connect with your audience. Live videos are most effective for announcements, behind-the-scenes looks, product information. Short updates let you continuously engage your audience. Longer sessions let you personally interact through Q&A or chats. Tutorial videos. These videos have mass appeal and are the most frequently shared on social media, but need to be clear, educational, and entertaining. However, there's a catch. If too long, you may lose people. Though if not long enough, it may not be effective. The rule of thumb is to keep your running time about 2 to 3 minutes. Informational videos. Informational videos can cover any topic. Make them unique, clever, or insightful, and avoid being stale or boring. Remember, the more interesting the videos, the more viewers will share them. Behind-the-scenes videos, aka BTSVs. I just made that up. BTSVs are designed to build trust and brand identity and are a great way to humanize your company and team. The best BTSVs highlight your day-to-day operations, offices, employees, your manufacturing processes. No matter what, BTSVs will give your prospect customers a better idea of who you are and how you work. More importantly, a memorable BTSV will not only grow your customer relationship, but it will also be shared. User-generated videos. User-generated content is an easy way to engage your audience. Simply encourage your users to create videos and incorporate your hashtags when uploading to increase exposure. Bonus: viewing user-generated content is an excellent way to get a feel for your audience's personalities and interests. Lights, camera, action. Nothing can stop you now. You are officially armed with more tools to add to your utility belt. Until next time, stay Moxie, my friends.